Hi, I'm Rob, back at Dashboard, and today we're here to introduce a new little accessory that will allow you to use our F2 fence with the API brackets on our track stars in conjunction with our renowned guide rail brackets. And so many of you have bought the guide rail brackets for use on a Festool MFT3 as well as other tables, but until now there wasn't a way to use our F2 fence and take advantage of the API brackets on track stars. So this is a new little part that we have. We're calling it the Middleman, and it's basically a spacer with a little neck and a through hole for a special fastener. So this allows you to put our F2 fence forward from the API bracket, and that way the fence and its corresponding tongue can run underneath your guide rail to provide support to workpiece right up near the line of the cut. So it's very easy to use. You'll simply install this in your F2 and then in your API brackets, and you can slide them all back and forth wherever you like in conjunction with the flip stop and the guide rail bracket. It makes a great way to increase the cut capacity both lengthwise and depth on your Festool table as well as any other table, because it does not crowd the surface of the table, so you get maximum crosscut width. Thanks for watching.